There are cars that outlast generations. There are cars that become part of our lives, like loyal companions on a long journey. It's not just luck, it's not just mechanics, it's a choice, it's a promise. Today, we'll tell you how to make your car live beyond 500,000 kilometers. A journey not only across roads, but across time. Chapter 1. It all starts with a mindset. A car is not just an object. It's a silent pact between you and the world. Do you just want to use it? Or do you want to build a long story together? Those who wish to surpass 500,000 kilometers don't treat the car like an accessory. They see it as an extension of themselves. Mindset is the first fuel that will drive you farther than you ever dreamed. Chapter 2. The power of invisible maintenance. The care you don't see is the care that saves lives. Every 10,000 kilometers, fresh oil, a new breath for the engine. Don't wait for things to break. Anticipate, protect, renew. Filters are the lungs of your car. Brake fluid is its blood. Coolant is its breath. Treat it as you would treat yourself, and it will take you farther than you ever imagined. Chapter 3. Protecting the heart and the muscles. The engine is not just metal. It's a living being. At sunrise, let it awaken without haste. Don't shout before you're ready to run. The transmission is its voice. Listen to it. Don't wait for the gearbox to grow tired. Don't wait for the clutch to beg. Change the gearbox oil. Protect what drives you forward. Chapter 4. Beneath the surface. Suspension, brakes, steering. Shock absorbers absorb life's punches. Suspensions carry the weight of your dreams. Brakes guard every tomorrow you hope to reach. Every hidden part underneath the car is a silent hero. Honor them, inspect them, renew them when needed. They will save you, without ever asking for thanks. Chapter 5. The car's skin and breath. The body tells stories of travels and storms. Dust, salt, rain, invisible enemies. Wash your car not for vanity, but for survival. Protect it with wax, heal every wound. The interior is the driver's sanctuary. Keep alive the scent of the early days. Respect the place where you live every time you turn the key. Chapter 6. The language of the road. Your driving style writes your car's destiny. Every harsh acceleration, every violent brake leaves a scar. Drive gently, anticipate traffic, listen to the rhythm of the road. Don't race against time, travel together with it. Chapter 7. A checkup, a pact of trust. Once a year, give your car a day just for her. A full diagnostic checkup, even if everything seems fine. Small invisible signs can tell great truths. Listen to the silent voice of exhaust gases, the vibration of a tire, the tension of a belt. Preventing is loving. Chapter 8. The courage to act immediately. A tiny squeak, a faint vibration, a different smell. Never ignore these whispers. The courage to act quickly will save you from bigger sorrows tomorrow. The difference between a car that lives and one that dies lies in how fast you listen. Beyond 500,000 kilometers, there isn't just asphalt. There is dedication, there is persistence, there is love. Every kilometer becomes a memory. Every inspection, a promise kept. Those who truly love their car don't just count the kilometers traveled. They count the smiles, the sunrises, the returns. And in the end, they understand that the car was never just a machine. It was a companion in life. And it will continue to be, for a long, long time.